The ACMER S1 Laser Engraver offers exceptional precision with its powerful 2,500 milliwatt diode laser, ensuring detailed and vivid engravings on a wide range of materials. This versatile machine serves as both an engraver and cutter, handling materials from wood to ceramics, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and small business projects. Designed for ease of use, the engraver arrives nearly fully assembled, requiring just a quick installation of the laser head, which is ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, the lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport and store without compromising on performance. The engraver is compatible with multiple operating systems and supports various file types, offering reliable performance and flexibility for different project needs. Backed by a 12-month warranty and round-the-clock customer support, the ACMER S1 ensures peace of mind for users looking for a dependable engraving solution.